trying a thing, y'all. I'm trying a thing. So see, I did a braid up. I'm doing, it's kind of sticking out here, but I'm doing crochet braids. So I did a braid up. I did these two things for my, these two braids here for my part. And then I did this. I watched a few videos on YouTube to get like an idea of how I want to braid my hair. I envisioned it and I also watched it. So watched videos to get an idea. So we'll see how it turns out. Top of my head I have like these cornrows like this. I was gonna do it this way. I saw other people doing it that way, but I think it would be better if I do it like, hopefully you can still see. I see people doing cornrows this way, going down. I thought maybe going horizontally, like snip like whatever, powder that's going in, would be better. Let's see. We'll see how it turns out. I don't know. I think it'll be okay. What I liked, I saw an idea of this. You see right here where I have the two cornrows. So what I did was crisscross them, put this side over here, tucked it in, this side, tucked it in on that side. I really like that. And that way I can create another area where I can put in the hair, and even right here to put in the hair. So that should work out very well. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how it goes. All right, so this is the hair that I'm actually using. Model, I would call it model, but I've heard somebody say model. Glance braid hair, Italian curl. It has some wave in it, but not too much wave. I don't like too much wave, and it's how long? I think it's 14 inches. Maybe 14 inches, something like that. Yeah. So the hair itself is like, it comes crispy. See that it's already separated? It's basically already separated. Now some people said that they separate it even more. I tried it. I took one and I tried separating it, and I don't even want to do that, because then because it has some type of adhesive thing keeping it together. You rip it, you probably start ripping out strands and making it all stringy. So I'm gonna try and do it with it just already separated and see if I bought 6 packs. So hopefully I have more than enough. I think I have more than enough hair. If not, I'm gonna start from the top and make sure that I have that covered first, and then work my way towards the back. But I like it. The only thing that I'm apprehensive about is the fact that because of this adhesive thing they say is on it, some kind of coat that's keeping it together, because it's firm, it's like crispy like in a way, just a little bit crispy like. They say, some people have said that there's white stuff that appear that may seem like dandruff. Now, when I took one strand out and I tried separating it, like I actually pulled it apart to see if, okay, can I separate it? Like, see this one is okay. It's not that crispy. It kind of fell apart by itself. I wasn't forcing it. But the one I had, it was very, like this one, like it's together, it's not separating. And it just separated. Anyways, I pulled the other one apart and I saw the white stuff. So I'm hoping that the rest that I do doesn't have any white stuff, because I'm not able to have no white stuff in my hair looking like dandruff. I am not able. I'm hoping that there is no white stuff. Ugh, I wouldn't want that. So we'll see how it goes. Doing this, it's black. I wanted to go with a blonde, like a honey blonde, light brown, that kind of a thing. But the lady at the store, she was like, oh, why do you want to go with that? Go with black to match your hair. And at the time, my hair was kind of, you can see, my hair's not black. I don't know if you can see it in this. It's a darker color, but it's not black. I wouldn't want black, but anyways, this is black and like a copper, like a auburn type of thing, like copper, brass, like copper. Yeah, it looks just like copper. So we'll see how it goes. But next after this, I am definitely gonna go with the honey blonde. You see the chick's picture? It was a little bit darker than that I was gonna go with, but that's basically what I'm gonna do next. So a little bit of a progress report. I started to put it in. I actually slept on this. I put a cap on my head. I was gonna do it last night, but I was like, it's too late. It's too late. And I was starting from up here first. But I decided, okay, you know what? I'm gonna start from the back first. I have a lot of hair, 6 packs, and I just finished the first pack. I'm quite confident that I will get through all 6 packs and have enough for my hair. But yeah, it's coming in okay. It's looking good. I like it. It's long. It's very long. It's very, very long. I'm not used to having it this long, but I'll wear it. I like it. Oh my god. Okay, so it's coming along. It's coming along. I'm a little bit concerned about in here, but it's coming along. I like the hair. It feels good. Yeah, I'm not sure about my hair pattern, how I braided it, if it's gonna work out. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, so it's the next morning. This is my first time doing this, so it took me a little while. I think it was 2 o'clock in the morning when I stopped. I started around maybe 7 or something like that. Trying to figure out what I was gonna do, and yeah, so this is where I'm at. I'm a little bit concerned about this section. I just think that I will corner up more here and not come so high with the braid down this way. Probably do 4 corner rows here, and then I'll be safe. Next time I'll do that. But I like how it looks. Well, I finished my hair. I do like how it looks. I like how it came out. I like how it falls. I've slept on it for 3 days already, and without tying it, because whenever I have hair on my head or any type of weave, I can't tie my head. It just comes right off. So I just don't bother. And for 3 days, it's pretty all right. The back is okay. The invisible part area, this hair is crispy. So when I'm trying to do the visible part, I have to do a knot because it's also silky. And I was hoping that with the crispiness or whatever is keeping it together, the adhesive thing, whatever it is, I thought that if I wet it, it would tie up and hold the tie, hold the knot. But for some, I found that it did. For some, it did not. So I had to split it apart and get a little piece of the other side and tie it. And it worked sometimes. I can still feel it a bit loose somewhere, so I have to tie those, find a way to tie it, or just leave it, whatever. Yeah, so that was the only thing. I used bigger pieces. Some people use small pieces for the invisible part. I used bigger pieces because I found one side, it actually fell pretty nice. Like the curls, how the curls are, kind of shapes my face pretty nice, how it falls. This is my first time doing it. So the invisible part, let me see if I can, hold on. Lord, help me, Jesus. Lord. Sorry, let me see my phone. All the notifications are coming in now. Yeah, so I haven't put any flat iron to it or nothing like that as yet. And the part is there, but how the hair is falling, you see that knot right there? That one's coming out. Anyways, that's a Jamaican kiss teat. Anyway, I like how it falls. I'll find a way to do everything. I just figured that if I put flat iron to some of these parts here, that it'll cover up the knots and the gaps and whatnot. For the most part, it pretty much covers, right? Pretty much covers. So this is model, as somebody had said. I said model, but apparently I guess it's model, glance, Italian curl.